All right, so now moving along, we might actually like to break this down by country, and we could do this by country code or country name. Since I don't know the codes, I'm going to bring country name over here, and I'm going to put it in columns. And you'll see we could have put it in rows, right? And depends on the look we want. Oh, I missed. And you see this way we could slide down and see them. They look much flatter here. It's much more visible here if we go in this direction. And then we can see everywhere that we go, we see declining birth rates. China, we saw an increase for a little while, right? And then a couple of different peaks. They've had different child reduction and child increase programs. But largely, China's come down. The only ones that are staying high, if you look, are in Africa, are still staying very, very high. In almost everywhere else that you go across, the birth rates have dropped substantially. And even in Africa, they've come down, but not a long ways. So this allows us, this is something we could do in a presentation where we slide slowly across, or later on we'll learn to do this in a movie format, but not quite yet. So so the whole idea of the world with a massively growing population and people having more and more babies is going away rather quickly. What I want you to do is come here and filter by country name, and then pick a couple of countries that you care about. So like there's Caribbean small states, Central Europe, and the Baltics. They have some joint areas here. East Asia and the Pacific. Europe and Central Asia, European Union. Well, let's just do European Union. And down here we should have North America, or Middle East and North Africa. And we'll put the US and the UK for comparisons. This gives us a smaller set, which we could actually do a screenshot or save it as a ping or other other graphic. For right now, what I'd like you to do is just do some screenshots. That way, that will work. We can change captions and filters and other things here. Go to full screen for your captures if you don't want all the rest of the junk in there. But that's all right. Escape should get us back. But this is what I want you to do. Pick a few places that you like and create a graphic. A graphic and a little bit of a story from that.